everyone, my name's Emily, and I work in the admissions office here on Gannon's campus. Today I want to share a few tips and tricks with you concerning work-study positions on campus, how you file the application, and how you find out what jobs are available. Probably the easiest thing I can tell you to do, the best place to start really, is at gannon.edu/financial aid. I'm going to screen share now. Once you log into the Gannon Financial Aid webpage, you will see on the left-hand side, work study information. If you want to go ahead and follow this link, it will take you to some information about both the federal work study positions, both on campus and off campus. Many times this leads students to ask us the question, why on my first financial aid award did I see that I qualify for work study, but now it's no longer listed? That's because we put that on your first award so that you realize you do qualify for a work study position. However, we can't put it on subsequent awards because that money is not yours until you actually come to campus, apply for, and obtain a job. That's just our way of letting you know you qualify for a job, and when you get here, you should apply for those funds. So let's get started. Once you're on this page, you can see down here the button, How to Apply for Work Study. If you were to follow this link, it would take you to complete instructions on how to complete your student employment application. There's about 7 pages of information here. Our university uses a system called People Admin. So all students need to create an account in the People Admin software. This instruction manual really does go step by step and give you all the information you need on how to create an account, search for jobs, and end up applying. This is what the People Admin site looks like. If you were to go to the People Admin site, you would come on here, you would go to the student section, and then you would be able to look for different jobs that are available. You would go through all of the different filters, select yourself as a student, if there's a particular department that you're interested in looking for a job, and then all of the job position details will show up below. You're able to then view the details of the position, see if you meet all of the criteria. Should you want to apply, you simply click on Apply This Job. Again, this manual really does go step by step with all of the tips and tricks for filling out your work study application. The other place that you can access People Admin is by going to the Gannon portal, my.gannon.edu. You would log in on the home page with your network ID and your password, which your network ID is your last name with 3 digits, and then the password that you've created. And if you look down in the middle of the web page, you'll see the People Admin link. Again, this will take you back to here. You would click on the students link, and then you would go through the filter. Again, once you go to apply for a job, if you do not have an application on file or an account, it is going to give you the opportunity to create an account. All right, everyone. Thank you. If you have any questions about securing a job on campus, don't hesitate to reach out to the financial aid office at financialaid@gannon.edu. Thank you.